Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic and Coinbase. Coinbase listing. Now, so many Terra Classic developers believe that Coinbase have actually purchased Terra Classic coin. As we all had rumor that Coinbase purchased about $245 million worth of Terra Classic LUNC coins. Now, if truly that news is true, that Coinbase purchased $245 million worth of Terra Classic, I think it's already showing us that Coinbase are already planning on listing Terra Classic. Most exchanges, they know that when they list a particular coin, that coin will definitely increase in price. We talk about exchanges like Binance, you talk about crypto.com, you talk about Coinbase, Robinhood. Now, most of them would like to kind of buy these coins ahead. Okay, they want to buy these coins, then they will not list the coin, because believing that with the news of them listing that coin will definitely push the price of that coin to increase in price. So instantly they will already be making some money, okay, when they list it by that particular coin. So I believe if it is true that Coinbase actually purchased Terra Classic worth of $245 million, I think it is going to be amazing. Okay, the market cap right now is about $1 billion and $1.1 billion. That simply means that Coinbase will be controlling about 1/4 of Terra Classic coin. Okay, so, and I believe, of course, if it is true, Coinbase listing Terra Classic, it is going to be amazing, because Terra Classic is already on its way to 1 cent. Okay, but it all depends on the listening, it all depends on Terra Classic burning, it all depends on other top crypto exchanges that have listed this coin, that partner with this coin, if they are really burning, because right now they are not. So cryptocurrency this year is going to be a bullish, and you can see bullish trend. Remember last year I have been talking about this year, when we were in 2022, I've been telling you that in 2023 I see a crypto bullish year. Last year was a bearish year, so I believe this year is going to be a bullish year, for the fact that cryptocurrency experienced a lot last year, and this year I believe it's going to be more better. And cryptocurrency has been used in order to settle so many issues recently. Talk about the Turkey and Syria earthquake, you talk about Ukraine and Russia. Of course, cryptocurrency played a major role in helping and assisting people. So many companies started accepting cryptocurrency recently, and I believe that will help us. And BTC also is also on the rise, and gradually Bitcoin will be heading back to $50,000 or $70,000 price, and I believe with that it's going to help cryptocurrency to really increase in price. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.